Good day, dear LPG investors. This is Lamtech Oil and Gas Global Limited, where we give you updated information about LPG business. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to establish and run a profitable mini LPG cooking gas business in your neighborhood. So, as we all know, a structured business plan can help a lot in the success of your business, irrespective of location of settlement. So that's why in this video I'll be pointing out some basic do's and don'ts that you can use as a roadmap for successful running of your LPG business. So stick with me as I listed them from number 1 to number 8. Because I have 8 points written down here. So the first point is that knowing your competitors. Knowing your competitors. You need to know your competitors more than you know yourself. That's a fact. Spy on them. See your competitors as a rival, contenders. If you are in a location where 2 or more LPG gas plants are, know that it is now a shared profit between all parties, right? So it's either you make friends or you create an healthy competition. However, it will have been more better if you could get a location that doesn't have any competition yet. So the point number 2 is running discounts and promo. As we all know, promo encourage or seduce potential customers, new or old customers. Your business can offer a discount on refills much lower than your competitors. And the point number 3 is the advertisement. Advertising helps contribute to the growth, enlargement, or prosperity of your business. There are many ways to promote a business venture. A well advertisement makes publicity of business. It gives public awareness. For instance, your business can sponsor a book or stage public entertainment, promote on a spot in your area. If you are on a budget and you cannot afford entertainment, you can as well print bill posters or handbills. You employ someone to help you post up those bills on the wall or on a big billboards in your neighborhood, right? So the point number 4 is knowing your space. You need to know your space. Understand your location of business pertaining to a particular place or region. How well do you know the local authorities in your area, the royalists and the street boys? Because this will determine and definitely helps how fast people get to know your location. It will be more easier for you to allow people to locate your station. Point number 5 is no price tag. Never publicize your price per kg. Let customer read through the gas pump dashboard for hints. Price heads up mostly drives customers away to competitors. Everyone wants cheap stuffs, but not quality service. Just remember that always. However, it's either you sell the same price with your competitors or you sell a lesser price. So the point number 6 is do not weigh. Do not weigh. You must make sure your gas attendants do not use scale for refill. Most scales are not accurate, and also customers are smart. Mistake could occur during refilling, and for some reasons a scale is a true dictator always. So make sure you keep away your digital scale out of the sight of customers. If they eventually see one, they will request to verify the accuracy, and that may result to issues or losing customers. The point number 7 is division of labor. Employ operators and sales staffs for different specifications. Never allow a salesperson to operate the gas pump or the gas skid operator to be in charge of stock, goods, and sales recording to avoid being defrauded. And the last point, which is the point number 8, is stability, like stable electricity. stable electricity. If your business is set up in a rural area or a community that lacks stable electricity supply to run your gas business successfully, consider obtaining a diesel-powered generator or a powerful gasoline generator in order to save cost. So, if you could emphasize on these listed points that I've listed, and you put them to use, I promise you that you'll be packing a whole lot of money in this business in no time. Try them and thank me later. So, thanks so much for watching this video to this very end, and do not forget to contact me for your professional LPG consultation, construction, installation, and maintenance. I'll be expecting your call. Take care and bye for now.